Trying to upload a large file to Canva and it just fails or gets stuck? Yeah, that's a super common issue. Let's fix it quickly. First, your file might be too large. Huge videos or images can hit Canva's limits, especially on slower connections. Best fix, compress the file before uploading, reduce the size slightly without killing quality. This alone solves most upload failures. Sometimes the format is the problem. Convert videos to MP4 and images to JPG or PNG before uploading. If the file is still too big, split it. Upload smaller sections instead of one massive file. Uploads depend heavily on your connection. If your internet is unstable, uploads can fail halfway through. Also, switch browsers if needed. Some browsers handle large uploads better than others. If it's still failing, clear your browser cache. Then reload Canva and try uploading again. One more trick, try the Canva desktop or mobile app. It sometimes handles large uploads more reliably than the browser. So yeah, compress your files, use the right format, split large uploads, and check your connection. That's how you fix Canva upload failures fast.